We aired, I think if I remember it right, March 16 yung airing date namin. So, ito po yung pinakamatagal kong soap, ang pinakamaganda, pinakamaraming cast, and pinakamasayang group na napuntahan ko so far. Of course, there's feeling of sadness, mamimiss lahat ng mga taong involved, especially the team, the EP, the directors, the cast as well. Pero marating talaga sa point na ganun lahat ng soap opera. We're still gonna see each other outside. Pero on top of that, masaya ako kasi ang ganda na naging performance ng soap while it's running sa prime time.
Alden, ano yung kino-consider mo na pinaka-successful mo na soap opera?
When it comes to siguro longevity, itong mundo may akin. Pero yung One True Love kasi iba talaga yung effect sa mga kapuso natin out there. Mas nakilala, up to this point, meron pa rin nakakakilala sa akin doon as Tisoy and kay Luis as Elise. So, iba-ibang success eh.
And actually, lumabas din, nagkaroon ka na rin ng album.
Yes po.
And so, after this ba, will you focus more on your music career? Or your albums?
No po eh, kasi that was just an opportunity given by Universal Records. So, I wouldn't want to put it to waste. Sayang naman. But if they would consider giving another album for me, siguro I would still do it. Pero I'm not saying I'm gonna be more serious in my singing career because I'm really an actor by heart. Yung singing, I'm not saying it's a sideline, pero siguro dumating siya sa akin, in-offer po siya sa akin ng Universal Records. That's why I took the chance. Tinignan ko kung why not, ano bang nagiging outcome if I venture into music. So far, okay naman. Masaya yung experience, the album tours, the people buying my album makes me feel special. Pero siguro, by heart, I'm more of an actor. Pero siguro yung dancing and singing can be my second priority when it comes to fields.